Hi, I'm Shayna from WTI.
This is the dress I will be wearing all spring and summer long. This is by far one of my favorite dresses. The green is absolutely to die for, and if paired with gold shoes and accessories, you'll look like a stunning goddess. This is a long mini dress with a slight puff sleeve that has elastic, so the sleeve is never going to pinch and it's never going to be too tight. It has a sassy cold shoulder, which can also be worn across the shoulders for a different look. There is a side zipper with a beautiful waist belt to give you a snatched look. My absolute favorite part of the dress are the deep pockets, and no dress is complete without pockets. This dress is perfect for formal wear, for work, or even a party, and you too can be a green goddess all spring and summer long.
And that's my point of view.